Good day, ladies and gentlemen. We gather here today not just as survivors of a calamity, but as witnesses to a truth long buried beneath the rubble, not just of buildings, but of a broken systems. The earthquake that shook our land was merciless. It tore through homes, schools, hospitals, places we thought were safe. It left behind grief, fear, and uncertainty, and yet, in its wake, something else was unearthed: corruption. We saw roads that crumbled too easily, buildings that collapsed like sandcastles, the emergency funds that vanished like smoke. We asked ourselves, could this happen? And the answer, though painful, was clear. The earthquake did not just expose physical fault lines, it revealed moral ones. It was a blessing in disguise, not because we celebrate suffering, but because it forced into the light what had long thrived in darkness. It showed us the cost of silence, the price of neglect, and the danger of turning a blind eye. But let me be clear. We do not wish for another earthquake. We do not pray for more destruction to reveal, more deceit. No, we pray for healing, for strength, and for vigilance. We pray that the ground beneath us stays still, and the hearts within us stay stirred. Let this be our turning point. Let the ruins remind us that the integrity is not optional, it's essential. Let the pain we endured become the fuel for the change we demand. We owe it to those we lost. We owe it to those who still suffer. And we owe it to the generation yet to come. May we rebuild not just with concrete and steel, but with honesty and accountability. May we rise not just from the rubble, but from the shadows of corruption. And may we never again need a disaster to remind us of our duty. Thank you.